Yo, this is working again. Let's go. Crypto Bubbles is working again. It's pretty good. Wow, Alluvium, is it coming back? I guess so. It's not bad. Yeah, it's nothing worth making videos on. Nothing's up over 50%, so unfortunately, there is no making videos. What's up, Heath Motes? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the bearish live stream. Even though Bitcoin's at 73K. Yeah, even though Bitcoin's at 73K. You said Fartcoin. Let's see what Fartcoin is doing. Fartcoin's not doing anything. You're just still stuck between support and resistance overhead. Keep in mind, just like we said before, you could still get stuck at crucial areas of resistance and then break back down. So right now those areas are 25 to 37 cents, which you almost basically came back and retested, but you quite didn't get up to 25 cents. I think you got really close to it, but then you got rejected anyway. But you could argue that there's an uptrend for holding, and you are making higher highs. So whether it's another bear flag in the making, or whether you're going to have some sort of breakout, you need to break this area of resistance, which is around 27 to 90% away. So if you're trading it, I hope it goes up and you make money. If you're holding it, this is where you need to break in order to get a major move to the upside and for a continuation. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Salma, welcome. Long time no see. Salma. Milady meme coin. Wait a minute. Or wait, isn't it ladies or lady? Yeah, it's this one, right? What happened to the picture? No, this isn't it. Hold on. Is it that, ladies? No. Yeah, it's this one, right? Yeah, it's this, right? Yeah, so wow, I mean, who would have guessed that? I don't even know where you bottomed, right? 80 is 85. 80 is 57. So yeah, volume's dead. You're getting some sort of reversal, but just keep in mind you are stuck in this downtrend. This is very bearish. On the macro time frame, it's just straight up bearish under. Yeah, it's bearish under 70's 15 to 30. So you need to break this area for a major reversal. Otherwise, you're just going to keep making lower highs like you have been. And you're going to keep validating this downtrend. So it is a kind of a gamble. It is also a 30x back up to its all-time high. So I don't know if this has ever been a 300 million market cap. Has ladies ever been a 300 million market cap? I don't know. Let's see. No, it has. I guess it's been a 200 million market cap, but they also, I think they might have released coins too. Yeah, it looks like they probably released coins. So, yeah, maybe you have a 76 retracement. Maybe it goes back to 6017 and you have the opportunity to sell or get a 500 to at least a 10x. But I don't know. Good luck with ladies. And then Myro. Yeah, for Myro, yeah, this thing is also just literally sitting on the bed floor, right, on the bedrock. So still bearish, still validating a downtrend. Same thing goes for Myro. I mean, it is a over 100x back up to its all-time high. Has Myro ever been over? Oops. Has Myro ever been over? What is it? 100x is 300 million. Yeah, Myro. No, yeah, Myro has been over 300 million. So it actually is 100x back up to its all-time high. So yeah, good luck with Myro. I mean, it's a high risk, high reward, huge gamble play. You are still just like with Milady meme coin. You're just still stuck in this downtrend, okay? So you really want to establish a floor. We don't know if it's bottomed yet because it just keeps making lower highs and lower lows. So once you start consolidating and getting some sort of accumulation zone, then we can start looking at a possible breakout and a reversal in play. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Heath says I'm holding 188,000 coins. Yeah, so I'm yawning a lot because it's just straight up so boring. It is not doing anything. Yeah, so 188,000 fart coin. Damn, how much money is that? Oh my gosh, you're holding 20. So you're holding almost $35,000 worth of fart coin, bro. You're actually holding over like $35,000 of fart coin. That's crazy, man. I hope it goes up for you. Because that's crazy. I mean, you're looking at... Yeah, you could turn your, yeah, to 10x. You could get 350 grand out of Fartcoin if it goes back up to its all-time high, which was back here at $2. Bro, you're holding $37,000. That's crazy. I hope at least you bought down here so you got this pump. What's up, Gayman? Welcome. Welcome to live stream. What's up, Hidden Bull? Welcome. Thank you. Have a good day. Whoa, you have to stay here. You have to support the channel. You can't just come over here and get quick TA and leave. I'm just joking. Have a great day, man. Enjoy the rest of your day, too. Thanks for coming by. Hidden Bull, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Yo, Hidden Bull for 2 beans. Says motivational fundage. Oh, wow. Thank you, man. That's crazy. I did not think I was going to get a super chat tonight. So that's awesome, man. Thank you. Thank you for the $2, man. That's, we've been live for 15 minutes. So thank you. I appreciate that. That's awesome. And you're a member, so thank you so much for the support on the membership side, too. Dude, let's go. Yeah, there's, like, really nothing happening, but I'm still going to live stream. Just because, you never know. People might stop in and like the channel and subscribe, and honestly, I'll take that. I'll take all that I can get. Any subscribers. Yeah, there's like nobody here. What is it? Is it some sort of holiday I don't know about? Or does the title suck that bad? Breaking news, is the crypto market about to explode or are we bearish? BTC live stream. BTC and crypto. Hold on. BTC and crypto live stream. How about that? I got gifted this membership, but I do support you. Oh. Oh yeah. You did get gifted that membership, huh? I think Free Lightning gave it to you. Or you got it because Free Lightning gifted the membership. I mean, regardless, thank you. I mean, you being here is supporting me, so I appreciate that. Or you guys typing supports me, so at least it gives me something to interact with. Otherwise, I'm just sitting over here not saying anything. Which I was doing, just on my phone, because there's like, for some reason, people are still bearish. For some reason, it's so bearish, even with BTC going from 68,000 to 73,000. I would have expected some more people, but the problem is that altcoins aren't moving yet. And obviously, as we all know, we really start seeing that influx of people when we start getting big moves on altcoins or when Ethereum dominance starts going out. The FOMO buyers are not long-term viewer base, though. That's true. You're right. But they do come in, and they are excited, and they do stay for a while, and then once we turn bearish, they, like, disappear. They go away forever. Forever, they're gone. I'm still trying to get a short to stick. Yeah, I know. Because you were in BTC. And then you got this reversal. You should, what was the other? Matty Ghost. I think that Matty Ghost was shorting Shadow? No, not Shadow. Oh, wait, was it Shadow? No, it wasn't Shadow. It was Swarms. It was Swarms. And Lab. Right? Yeah, I think Matty Ghost was shorting Swarms. Man, it's funny because the price is like dead in the center of both of our targets. So I said I would have shorted at 158 and we broke that. And Matty Ghost would short 2 cents, which it never got to. So I think we're about to have a big capitulation down here. I really do. I mean, this is already curling down. What was the other one? Bidgert? Oh yeah, this one. You should have shorted this. I tried shorting Swarms too. Also shorted Rave. Yeah, Rave is a good one. Got shook out of both. Too dangerous. Yeah. Damn, it's like, don't you just wish you would have shorted up here so that way you wouldn't even have the option to, like, get shaken out. You just go straight back down. Damn. Nice. And then what else did you say? Rave. Yeah, Rave DAO, right? Rave DAO. This one. Yeah. I mean, dude, look at how overbought you are. This thing did at 10x, right? 9x, 900% move. Of course. Of course you short it, bro. Oh, what's Dwayne Kelly's light at? Yeah, light's at 897 still. Oh wait, yeah, the market's closed, so never mind. What's Litecoin doing? Look at that Litecoin. Yeah, still $55. Man. Everyone's just waiting for that next capitulation down. Yeah. Faith says, so did we miss the bottom? I don't think so. Like I said before, I think we could go as high as 81,000 and still be bearish. So, and I don't want to see a wick either. That doesn't count either. So, what's up, Smash Toshi? Welcome to the 22-minute mark of the live stream. Welcome to the live stream, Smash Toshi. Trying to find some coins to make videos on, but unfortunately there's nothing that's up over 50%. So really no point in Hidden Bull says, I'm still bearish until BTC maintains over 75K for at least a week. Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're getting ready to basically nosedive, but you didn't hear it here. We need to get the viewers in. So we're going to the moon. 81,000. 81,000 is in play. Yo, Hidden Bull, what do you think about Uniswap? What do you think about Uniswap? I don't know, maybe we hit 800 million on Uniswap and that's the bottom. You want to know where I got that from, actually? It's funny because that's what happened with XLM back in the day, and then I sold it. Back here. Yeah. When it went down, it hit like 700, 800 million dollars. And then as it started going back up, I sold it and I missed out on this move. But man, even XLM, like XLM's not a bad play. But damn, it's been out for 12 years now. 12 years. And the market cap just made an all-time high. But unfortunately, the price did not make an all-time high. The price actually made a lower high. How bearish is that? I don't know if I'll ever go back to XLM. You have to see if when BTC dumps, if Uniswap dumps harder, when it loses a percent, you can assume it might not be, you can assume a long might be in play. Yeah, so what we can do is we could actually do Uniswap BTC here. Yeah, this doesn't look good, right? I mean, just to... Yeah, it's almost a 20x back up to its all-time high. What is the price? Yeah, I mean, you're looking at Uniswap being $60. It's never been 60 bucks. Yeah, it's been $42. So you know what that tells me? That tells me they're releasing coins. And yeah, 20x is going to put the market cap around 40 billion, so almost double that. Yeah, that doesn't look good, man. It really doesn't. You want to see something even worse? OXT BTC. Oh my gosh. I remember Vision actually showed me that back in the day here. Man. I guess I should have listened. No, I'm just joking. Obviously, it could have worked out the other way. Could have made a whole bunch of money. Finally nail in the coffin with it being delisted on Binance, though. Wedge Pressure says, anyone here buying Zebic? There's a lot of people buying Zebic here. A lot of people always ask about Zebic on the channel. It's actually, that's why it's actually on the watch list. Yeah, so nothing has changed on our targets for Zebic right now. You still need to break this resistance overhead at 2 zeros 28 to 33. So... Gonna keep pulling back until clarity, I think. Yeah, that could be in play. Just keep in mind, I mean, that you're looking at a really deep correction if it does end up breaking down and making a lower low. I mean, we might even come back and retest this or fill this wick at 2015, but there's nothing really stopping it from going that low. Unless you stop here. Even then, that's still a 33% move to the downside. BTC will hunt liquidity when too many people get confident and get leverage trades. It will move a significant way. Yeah, I think you're right. 11 votes. We got 73% says yes. 73% of the chat think that we are going to get alt season. And then 27% of the chat thinks that we are not getting alt season. I feel like 73% of the chat is hopeful in getting alt season because we never got it this time. And that's the only reason why. The longer it goes without alt season, it's like the more probable it becomes. But I don't think that's how it works. Yeah, wow, look at this. Dude, this is what a garbage coin, man. Yeah, mega pump coming probably. If Aloe was here, man, this is like when they gets delisted, you freaking buy and you, yeah, it's probably going to get some sort of reversal, man. It's probably about to get some sort of major reversal. And I always say that, and I wish I would just, yeah, buy even, how much is 100,000 coins? It's $1,000. Oh my God. Bro, I would totally, if I could get on Coinbase, I would totally buy it right now. So oversold. You've been oversold since November. Yeah, you can't dollar cost average into crappy coins with no volumes, man. With no volume. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Yeah, this thing's probably gonna have a massive move up to like 5 cents, and then that's all it's gonna be. It's just gonna start dumping. It is officially down almost 99%. Yeah. 98.90%. Which means that if you put $1,000 in, you'd be sitting at $10. No, you'd be sitting at, yeah, $10. Wow. No, you'd be sitting at $1. No, $10. Because $10 back up is this 100x? Almost. Yeah. Yeah, okay. $900. Whoa. This is there we go. Give me a second. Let me turn on the light. Oh, let me actually turn this off too. All right. Thoughts on Shiba Inu, the one coin I made money on in 2021. Yeah, Shiba Inu, hopefully you're putting in a bottom right now. I hope you're putting in a bottom. I mean, it's just bearish. I mean, there's really, you're just waiting to get a breakout. I mean, shorter area of resistance overhead while still maintaining this downward trend and being bearish which coincides with the 200-day moving average on the daily, is between 5079 and 401. So you could still come up here, make a lower high, and get rejected. And then as far as support goes, I mean, like, is it still... Yeah, wow, man. This thing had a monster move up. Yeah, I mean, if you break this previous floor here, I mean, there's no telling where this is going to bottom at. So we'll just have to take it day by day and see where it's going to establish a floor. Unfortunately, it hasn't. It did before, where you had a period of accumulation back here, and then you attempted to get a huge reversal, but unfortunately you didn't. So hopefully we get the same play as back here, where you end up just consolidating, and then once we turn bullish, you then break out. But there's really nothing to look at with Shiba Inu because it's sitting at its cycle low right now. And then now comparing SHIB to BTC. Yeah, it is also. I guess it didn't really. Yeah. This thing's just losing value. Yeah. Hope so. Yeah, I hope you do get a reversal. I hope it goes up for you. I mean, if Dogecoin runs, Shiba Inu's gonna run, and Dogelon will run, which will be nice, but yeah. What's up, Knights of Insomnia? Welcome to the live stream. You're welcome, Rody. Welcome to the channel, and you're welcome. We'll keep monitoring it for you. How's Dogelon doing? Oh, Dogelon's doing good. It's actually doing good. Wow. Here we go. Hopefully it breaks out. Oh my gosh, imagine I sold the, I hope it goes up, but imagine I sold at the wrong time. Sold here. On the live stream, actually. It's actually timestamped on the live stream. I was like, you know what? We're overbought. We're going to come down. I thought we were going to come down, not down. You know? Ugh. I missed this. Had a 20% discount. It wasn't good enough, though. I'm like, oh, $4,000. Or get the same coins for $3,000, you know? Oh, $3,000 sounds way better. $3,000 sounds way better than $4,000. Yeah, what's up, Knights of Insomnia? There's really nothing happening right now. We're just here to do our, to put in our 1 hour and then call it. Crypto analysis. My big money is invested into XMR. XMR, what is that? Monero? I have equipment to mine it. It's my big bet. What's XMR? Is it Monero? It is Monero. But also, man, Monero had a monster, or Monero had a bull run, man. So obviously you're going to be bullish on it. I mean, this thing, yeah, this thing had a massive run. I'm hoping that maybe like Litecoin ends up doing something like this. Yeah, so the problem is that with Monero now, you actually broke below critical support. So you can see you actually came back up and attempted to break back over this area of resistance, which was previously support. So first and foremost, you need to break this area, which I guarantee is the 236382, which it is. So once you break there, then you can look at 529, double top, and then eventually break out to 1500. And then support is still going to be the 0.5, which you've already retested at $280, okay? Not financial advice, just my opinion. What's up, Roland with Toshi? Says Zebic. We already looked at Zebic, but we will take a look at it again for you. So nothing's happened with Zebic right now. You're just in the waiting room. You're waiting to break out. You have resistance overhead at 2028 to 2033. Once that breaks, you're looking at 45, and you have to decide, hey, I want to take profits at this point, or you have to say, you know what, I'm going to risk it for the biscuit, and I'm going to wait until it goes to the moon. Monero had a really oh, what's going on with Tau? Yeah, man, this was a pretty big drop. 60% correction. What an insane correction, man. 60%. 120% back up. I hope it goes to the moon. I hope you got in at the low, man. I hope you got in at the low. Do we know why? I mean, yeah, I guess privacy coins had a good run with the exception of Dash. Do you know why Dash didn't move up? Because Zebic did a 40x. XMR had all-time highs. It's just that's a pretty big move. How's Nvidia doing? Wow, it's actually coming back up. We did break below 170 and then now it's coming back up, but the thing is it's making a lower high. So that's not good. 14% move, so volatile. Am I getting the chat or is it really just that dead? Got 8 people in here. Am I even, let me see if I'm like, is my chat frozen? No, it's not. Our ARB had a move. What's our Arbitrum? 1%? I guess no. Yeah, I did have a nice move. Still bearish, but at least it's not sitting on the floor at its low. Yeah, it's up 35%, right? Yeah, 33% 13 days ago. It is still sitting on the bottom. I mean, this is still very bearish. Also, just keep in mind that Arbitrum has a crazy release schedule. So you can see they came out, they started dumping all the coins on the market. And obviously that reflects negatively on the price. It gives them pumps every once in a while to keep people interested. And then next thing you know, they're going to get hacked or they're going to get delisted and then they're going to be on to the next scam. So be careful. Yeah, wow. Look at this. Down 96%. I'm waiting for something to happen. Yeah, same here. I'm waiting for something to happen too. Maxing, what's this? Another gamble play. I opened a throwaway short position in your honor. If this $3 short position pays, I will donate to you in a super chat. 150k leverage. Yo, that's crazy. I opened a throwaway short position in your honor. If this $3 short position pays, wait, what coin? What coin are you talking about? Like, wait, which one are you shorting? Are you shorting swarms? Wait, what are you shorting? I gotta see it now. Or BTC. Oh, we're going back down. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa, we are oh my god, we're nuking. Yo, what did you short though? You gotta tell me what you shorted. BTC? Oh, okay. Yeah, definitely, man. You're making a lower high. Of course it's gonna go down. No way, bro. You just did that and it's going down. Let's go. Yo, oh my gosh, we are going down. Bro, let's go. Tell me when to take profit and I'll send you the win. No way. Are you serious? Okay, you just came down to the 0.5. 71.7. I'd say take profit at 71.7. Or you take profit now because you're hitting the 200-day moving average. Bro, how much did you make? 150x leverage, bro? That's crazy. Oh my god, man. 71.7, but damn. I mean, you're almost basically oversold on the hourly, man. Oh, it's going back up. Quick, take profit. I don't know. I think that's crazy that you did that and it actually went down. That's a pretty good freaking move, man. You actually came down, yeah, right to the 200-day moving average. Or sorry, this is on the hourly. What am I talking about, man? I'm trying to do TA on the hourly. Come on, BTC, break down, baby, break down. I'm gonna get a super chat. Let's go. No way. No way. Keep going down. Go down, down, down. Come on. Come on. Keep going down, 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 down. 71.7. 71.7. Or 71.3. I'd say TP here. Come on, baby. Keep going, keep going. Yo, keep going. Dude, this thing's about to fall off the cliff, man. There's no way you just shorted, like, what a perfect position, bro. I hope this thing just nukes right now. Best case scenario, imagine if we go to 67. Imagine if we go to 67,000 right now and 150x leverage, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh no, we're back. Yo, $10, $10 super chat, man. That's second super chat of the night. Let's go. Profit so far, $10. Let's go. I took part of the position now. Total win reduced. Hey man, a win is a win. Let's go. And I got a $10 super chat, bro. Let's go. That's awesome. It's gonna come back down though now that you sold. Now that you took you took some profit. Come on, keep going down. I don't know why it would just stop here, like unless like it's just sucking people in right now. But why would it stuck here? Like if it just dropped so much, we just went from we just dropped $1,700. Why would it just stop here randomly? We're probably gonna get something like this. Dude, imagine. Oh my god, imagine it goes to 67,000 on the live stream. What's up, Steve? Steven, welcome. Steven, welcome to the live stream where people are shorting it and making a lot of money. So we're wishing Bitcoin goes down right now so that Hidden Bull can get a big profit. I'm not waiting for you to tell me to take profit. There's a large delay. Yeah, of course. Oh, it's breaking down. Is it actually going to 717? 717 is 717, 713 going to get hit? This is like the pre-candle to what's about to come right now, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah, 71.7. First target got hit. First target got hit. 71.3 is the next target. This is crazy. I got an alert that one of the coins is down and another one down. So I checked and I saw Bitcoin tanking. I love it. I sold 30% of my Bitcoin at 73,000. Let's go. Nice. Good job taking profit, man. Good job taking profit. You want the cash out? I can give it now or wait if it dumps. It's $3. I was going to super chat. Oh, no worries. Stop loss is set at break even, so you may get nothing. Bro, let's just let it ride and let me get, you already sent me $10, bro, so that's, just let it go down straight to 60,000, man. Come on, 60K. Technically, our target got hit, man. 71.7 and then 71.3. I'm using money. I'm going to super chat you. Ooh, you know what? I don't know. I mean, do I want to... Okay. If you're asking me if I want to super chat, then yes, I do. I want to super chat. I will all... It's like when the dealer... it's like when you have 21 and the dealer's showing an ace. And the dealer's like, hey, do you want even money or do you want to risk it? A lot of people get upset, but I'm like, oh, even money. You know why? Because any money's better than losing or pushing. So yeah, definitely, man. I mean, Bitcoin's going down right now, but I mean, whatever, man. I'll take if you're asking me, I'll take the super chat all day long, man. I will take the super chat all day long. I just hope it keeps breaking down. Plus, you already super chatted $10, man. So, sorry, you super chatted $12, man. You super chatted $12. Ready to get back in. That'll be awesome if it goes to the 60s again. I don't know if it's going to go to 60s right now, but I think eventually it will. I don't think it's out of the woodworks just yet. I think there's a lot of downside. Dude, that's crazy. Freaking 100 and... So, close the 150x short. Yeah, I would say close it. Yep, hit in bull. It hit my 71.7. It hit 71.7, so my final answer is close it and send it. Yeah, we'll see. I'm saying close it here. Okay, so let's see what happens. Actually, let me mark it on the chart here. Let me write it actually. So just because I'm gonna stay now, I feel like I have to stay on a little bit longer because you literally super chatted me $12. BTC short closed 71.625.90. And then let's see what happens. I'm going to delete that, obviously. That's awesome. I checked YouTube for all the different people I'm following, and you're the only one that's doing it live right now, and it's really important. Yeah, we just had a flash crash. Look at this. BTC just dropped $1,500 like that. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good time to I mean, unless you get like a capitulation and you hit extremely oversold on the hourly, which you haven't actually had happen since here, the 27th of March. So yeah, I mean, I think it's safe to say that it doesn't have to do that, but man, any profit is good profit, man. So I'm really glad dude, first of all, I'm glad you made money. Second of all, thank you for super chatting me. So that's awesome, man. Freaking, that's great. Dude, heck yeah. Thank you. It's funny because BTC had a flash crash, and then we got like the most viewers in. We got like concurrent viewers, like 14 people came in here. Is my title good? Breaking news. Is the crypto market about to explode, or are we bearish BTC and crypto? You know what? Altcoin. Yeah. Bitcoin and altcoin live stream. So I'll do breaking news. Is the crypto market about to explode or are we bearish? Question mark. BTC and altcoin live stream. Yeah, there we go. I'll do that. Oh, it keeps going down. Maybe I spoke too soon. Yo, hidden bull, bro, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, man. I guess I should have waited because we're actually breaking down to 71.3. Oh my gosh, yo, that's crazy. That's so much money, man. That's a lot of money, dude. I think that's the most. That's my biggest. I gotta take a picture of this because nobody's gonna believe me. That's the biggest super chat anybody has ever sent me, bro. That's insane. That's the biggest super chat anyone has ever sent me, man. I hope you, bro. You didn't even have to do that, man. You didn't even have to do that, and you did that. I hope it tenfolds for you, man. I hope you get like 20x that, 30x that, man. So thank you. That's awesome. I wonder if it's gonna keep going down now. I wonder if it's just gonna keep going down. So it's funny because I said 71.7 and 71.3, but 71.3 got tagged. So it's so funny that it actually came down here, but I got scared. So I was like, you know what? Take your money, like take your profits and run. And you actually came down to 71.3 and it actually ended up coming down this low. So it's just funny. Nice. And yeah, bro, thank you. Damn, I took a picture of it because that is literally the biggest super chat I've ever gotten ever in the last 3 years. I think that's the biggest one. The one before was $50. So man, that's awesome. That is really awesome. Damn. Now I feel like I gotta stay on and yeah, I gotta stay on to see what happens with this. At least for the next for the next candle close, because I feel like it's gonna be green and then we're gonna go right back up, right? I feel like we're gonna get something like that where you get a green candle and you come right back up. Dude, that's awesome, man. 73 bucks, man. That's crazy. It cost me $3. Bro, that's insane. Hidden bull, man. You are, bro, you probably make, yeah, your volume and you probably make so much money, bro. That's insane. That ain't even the first time that you actually did that. That's the first time that you were like, you know what? I'm just gonna super chat my profit, which is crazy. So thank you. Thank you for that, man. Scared money don't make money. LOL, wait till I find a good leverage exchange allowed in New York. What exchange is this? It costs, yeah, Hidden Bull, what exchange? Wait, Wealth Abundance, are you asking Hidden Bull what exchange it is? Yo. I wonder if it's going to actually continue to go down. What a flash crash. How did you know that, too? I feel like you knew that. I feel like yeah, how did you know? You knew. Do you know something I don't know? Or do you have some sort of cheat code that I don't know about? I mean, I don't know a lot, but you really timed it almost perfectly. I'm gonna get water. Give me a second. What's up, buddy? Yo, that's awesome. I do have the cheat code. No, bro, like that's actually crazy. You do have the cheat code. Because there's like I don't see any indicators that would have showed that this was going to happen unless like something happens before, like there's just something that you see. But hey, at least I said 71.3 to 71.7, so I got something right, but I don't know if I don't know if that's going to actually stick. Bro, imagine if we actually go down to like a flash crash to 67,000 and you have 150x leverage. Oh my gosh. That would have been insane. It's trying to go up, but it keeps getting squashed. Might be it. This might be it, man. This actually might have been it. Hey, what are you doing? Come here, buddy. Here. My cat loves when I do that. He literally loves when I do that. Because New York blocks us from a lot of exchanges because the bit license rule basically stuck at Coinbase, Gemini, Robinhood. Yeah, so I can't go on Coinbase anymore. I don't really use Gemini, only for Dogelon, and then Robinhood, just for Bitcoin. But I want to dance with leverage since I'm season now. I'm pretty sure you can. I'm pretty sure you can leverage with Robinhood, if I'm not mistaken. I've just never done it because I haven't explored that. Like I don't want that. I don't want that to enter my life, so I'm not going to do it. But I believe you can leverage trade on Robinhood. Are we having a flash crash? It just seems like we did. I have a lot of Bitcoin. I can mess with the price, bro. You actually are a hidden bull, aren't you? That's insane. That is absolutely insane. Hidden bull, but tell me how I can make money. I have 9 kids and I want to buy a bigger house. I have a 3-bedroom. Bro, I'm looking at a 1,600 square foot. You have a 3-bedroom. So my wife and I, it's funny, we're looking at moving to Florida, and we're looking at a house right now outside of Orlando, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but it's a tiny home. It's a small home. It's on a 5,700 square foot lot, but it's a little bit under 800 square feet. So it's very small. But the way I think of it is like, okay, like the upkeep's going to be easy. It's going to be very manageable. Like I don't want my first home to be like a fixer. Oh, it's fully remodeled, so I don't have to worry about that. I don't want my first house to be a fixer upper or buy something that's ridiculously big and for me not to be able to upkeep it, if that makes sense. But you have a 3-bedroom That's 16. Well, you have 9 kids. Oh, I guess I missed that. Bro, you have 9 kids? Is it all with the same? Never mind. Never mind. Don't answer that. Don't even answer that. You have 9 kids? Like what? Like, have you just been having kids for the last decade? No, I'm just joking. Faith, it's so easy. Don't use leverage that can get hit. I don't think Faith is gonna know what that means. I don't use leverage. Can you tell me, please? I don't use leverage. Can you tell me, please? What do you need to be told? Sounds like you're on the right page. I think he's on his page. That's crazy, man. Hidden bull. If you can mess with the price, then why can't we test it out and pump fire as I love it. I love it. It is, oh my gosh. Hey, the next candle is closed. Hey, the next candle is closed. Hidden bull. Let's see if it's going to be green. I have a feeling. I don't have no magic ball, but I have a feeling it's going to be green. The next candle is probably going to take us back to 72.5. But we'll see. After that, I don't know, but we'll see. We're going to see because that's how, yeah, we're going to see. We've been live for an hour and 20 minutes, but honestly, it doesn't even matter, bro. I just got a $73 super chat. Like, I'll stay live for another hour if I have to. Pump Fi or ASM now. Take your pick. Let me know, and I'll have my guys on X watch it, then give you your flowers. Hidden Bull is the king now. He's the master. Oh, hey, Wealth Abundance, you just commented on my video. What's up, my boy? Hanging in there, enjoying those BTC gains. Well, I'm not in BTC yet. I'm about to pump my little coins. Wait, I'm about to pump my little coins because I'm getting numb. Yeah. Let's go, Wealth Abundance. Thanks for commenting. You took profit, so whatever you got is what you get. Nice, nice. Yeah, of course. Sounds like on say you took profit, so whatever you got is what you get. Yeah. No, I know. I'm saying let's see if I know that's done. I'm like, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, dude. That's awesome. I'm saying like now let's see like obviously just hypotheticals or like guesses. I think that BTC is going to print a green candle back up, but obviously we'll see what happens. But it's definitely interesting too. Yeah, that's why I wrote BTC short closed. Bam. But dude, that's awesome, man. What's going on? Why did that happen? Why did BTC drop? Let's see. Is there any news? Is this some like war news or something again? Yo, Mike, welcome to Livestream. Hi, can you evaluate Supoman coin? What the heck? Supoman, what is that? There is no Supoman. Never mind, there is Supoman. Can you evaluate Supoman? This is like some sort of a complete gamble coin. I mean, this is like a 1.4 million market cap coin, so it's very obviously it's a gamble. You're extremely overbought on the hourly. Last time you were here, not necessarily that overextended. I guess you could argue that there was this too, but you were just so bullish. You are getting stuck at the 0.5. I mean, yeah, I mean, there's really nothing to look at here. I mean, it's such a small market cap that this thing can go parabolic at any point. It's a 500% back up to its all-time high, and that's still going to put the market cap around like 7.5 million. So a lot of upside potential. That's what I can say. And at least it's not sitting at the bottom. So, yeah. Hi, can you... Oh, I read that. Good morning. What did you dream today? I didn't dream at all. I didn't have any dreams today. You're going to buy BTC now or wait till more downside? No, I'm buying BTC at... Let's see. I'm buying BTC at 60 to 59,000. Man, 200-day moving average might actually coincide perfectly with support at 60,000. So I would probably say 60,000 is where I would like maybe buy 0.01. What is that? How much money is that? It's like $6,000. So maybe I'll do no, wait, that's not $6,000. That's $600. Yeah, I would buy 0.01, which is still not a lot of money, but I want to get it for as cheap as possible. So I don't mind throwing in $600 at 60K. But I'm looking at like 40 to 43,000, somewhere bottoming between 40 to 43,000. So, yo, Hidden Bold, thank you so much for the super chat. I just want to come back to that and say thank you. I appreciate that. You didn't even have to do that. So, like, that's crazy that I just got such a big super chat tonight. And that's not even the only one you sent. I got 3 super chats tonight, and they were all from you. So I just want to say thank you. I was literally going to get off the live stream at 1 hour, and it's an hour and 25 minutes now. And obviously we're getting people because Bitcoin's going down. But I just want to say thank you. So I really do appreciate that. Okay, reading the chat. Let's see. Hi, can you... Oh, I read that. Good morning. Oh, I read that. So do you know that today is National Pet Appreciation Day, meow? Look it up. I just got my fish a 10-gallon upgrade from a tiny bowl. Let's go. Is 40K still in play? I think so. I think 40K is still in play. Well, one of my cats is sleeping over there, so I don't want to really wake her up. And then the other one is... I don't know where he is. Yeah, I don't know where he is. He's just like running around. I was going to give you $3. You gambled it 150x. Bro, let's go. Yes. You were going to give me $3 and I gambled it. And it did 150x and I got $73, bro. That's crazy. What a perfect short too. Like we really called it, 71.3 to 71.7. Yeah. I think I made the right play by saying take profit at that point. You said take profit, so I did. Yeah. I still think we did good. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna look like this, right? And we were looking on an hourly anyway. And I think I think I made the right play because like playing it very conservatively and stuff, like we haven't been oversold since, back here, March 26th. Or March 27th. And look, we actually just came down and had like this giant candle. So obviously, I think that was a good area. But that's just me. That's why I said take profit. I want to buy a dog, a Rottweiler, or a Bulldog. Nice, man. Just be careful. I know, I think Bulldogs have, like, bad reps because they bite people, but I think you should be fine. I really don't know. Dog equals God. Oh yeah, backwards. Or sorry, not transposition. What am I talking about? What is soliloquy? What is that? Soliloquy? What soliloquy? Oh my god, how do I spell that word? Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to type it. It won't even give me like soliloquy. No. An act of speaking one's thoughts aloud. Oh, that's what I do all the time. Oh, I guess that's the wrong word. Silver Days in the chat. Yeah, man, you missed all the excitement. And plus, now we have like 20 people in here. Now we have 21 people in here, so I don't know if we can go get off now, but yeah, man, we friggin' Hidden Bull just came out of nowhere and said, "Hey, you have the opportunity to gamble $3." And I was like, let's do it. All in, baby. It's like I ain't got nothing to lose. And freaking 150x $3, man. Dude, that's awesome, man. Let's go. I got bullied in my dream by a dog, so now you want to get a dog? Wealth Abundance says, bro, it's 10 p.m. on the East Coast, so that's when people are relaxing, settled, and can enjoy life because the day is so long. Yeah, Wealth Abundance, I might be joining you in Florida soon. I think you said you're in Florida. That's awesome, yeah. I know, man. I actually took a picture of it. That was the biggest super chat I've ever gotten. The biggest super chat I've ever gotten before that was $50. And this, I mean, it's kind of like not a random number, but 73. That's like the biggest super chat that I've ever gotten ever. So that's awesome. That's really cool. I'm still in shock. I'm still like, oh my gosh. Excuse me. Nah, bro, I'm in Brooklyn where it gets crazy. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. I'm just rising above the chaos. Where it gets crazy. I'm just rising above the chaos. Do you like it in Brooklyn? Would you ever move Brooklyn? Like, is there a reason why you're in there? Dream is a metaphor for something else, and dog could be an angel. Tell me to calm down. Oh, interesting. I guess I never thought of it that way. Interesting. I'm a man of my word. You won that with $3. I had a stop loss. Oh my gosh. Bro, you're crazy though. That's awesome, man. $3. Yo, can we always do that? Can I do that every night? Can I risk? No, because the problem is we never get like that big of a move. Like it just doesn't really. That was it's not really as volatile, right? It just so happened to be the perfect timing, right? Yo, Joker, welcome to Livestream. You missed a $73 super chat by Hidden Bull. My biggest super chat ever. Let's go, man. Dude, that's awesome. Or back down from what I do now, but the dog helped me and take care of my kids and calmness for me. Okay. So you're going to get a dog. Got it. So do you know, you said you're going to get a Rottweiler or a pit bull. Are you going to get a baby? Are you going to get it as a baby? Are we back? Is it actually going to go back up? Or is it going to do something like this? I mean, this is way more realistic. Goes up here, come down, lower high, break down. What's up, Joker? Welcome to the hour and 35-minute mark of the live stream. Yes, they must be a cub. They must be babies. Okay. Dude, that's awesome. And I have 3 cats here. Oh, that's awesome. So your cats are going to, what do you call it? Your cats are going to grow up with the dog, and then they're all going to be friends. So that's pretty cool. It's funny, we were just at 73 and now we're at look how freaking volatile this is, man. We were just at 73 and then now it's sitting at like 71. Wow. Kid had 2 cats and 3 years old. 1 cat is 1 year old. What is he doing? Hey. He just kept like rubbing against my feet. You took profit? You had the chance to not? Yeah, that's true. I did have the chance to not take profit. But I had to take it because we were extremely oversold. Sorry, we were getting close to oversold. So this little bit more capitulation wasn't worth me not getting the bottom, right? Because like this was just unexpected flash crash anyway. So absolutely. And like I said before, any profit is good profit, man. But they have one job to hunt mice. That's funny. Orange, white, and gray. Yeah, I have white and orange, and then 2 outdoor cats are gray, but I don't, like, unfortunately, it's gonna suck because we can't, if we move, we can't take them with us because they're feral cats. So I don't know what to do. I feel really bad, but because I've taken care of them this entire time. They won't let me touch them or anything. They run away when I open the door. But I do leave food for them and water. So I have 2 cats too. Cat brethren unit. Yeah. Oh my god, this cat is like, he's really needing right now. Do you guys see him? Do you guys see him or no? No. Okay, buddy. What was I gonna say? There's no news, right? I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything either. Is Uni for done? Is Uniswap done for? I don't know, man. Is it? Hey, buddy. Oh my god. Yo. I really, I should buy Uniswap. I'm just not going to. I'm not going to buy it right now either, but should have bought here, made 50% profit. Meow, did you do Banker yet, token yet? No, I didn't. Let's see. BNKR, right? Banker. Yeah, it's this one. Hey. Yeah, you are attempting that. You're attempting at breaking out. It looks like it's attempting to break out, so you need to break 39. So once you break out, you're looking at 3082 being the next macro and bigger target on the time frame. Trap them and take them. I did. How do I trap them? Like, is there somewhere I can call for them to do it for me? Because also I have 2 cats. I can't just bring the cats in. I have to like introduce them. Is it weird how I open a short in your honor and it dumped? It is. That's the first. You've been coming to this live stream like for a very long time now, and it's funny because you randomly said, hey, I'm going to, like, just out of nowhere, Hidden Bull said, hey, I'm going to open up a short in your honor. For the first time ever. He's never done that before. And it ends up literally not capitulating, I'm not drastic words, but it literally ends up going down like $1,500, like almost $2,000, right? Yeah. Almost $2,000 instantly. Like right after he typed it. It's like, it's magic. I'm telling you, Hidden Bull has the secrets, man. He literally called it. He has the secrets. Oh man, the watch list videos are getting murdered. How's OXC doing? Going down again? Yep. I bought a Trap Harbor Freight. Let me Google this. Trap Harbor Freight. And so what? Do you trap them and then do you just take them to the vet and give them their shots and then get them washed and then you bring them home or something? Is that how you did it? Like, what is the process to do that? So say, and also there's 2 of them. So do you think I could get both of them in one? Is that a good idea, or do I need to do one at a time? If I do one, is the other one going to run away and never come back? Or do I need to do both of them at the same time? Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh my gosh, what a good cat. Look at this cat. Look at you. Yeah, I have to get Spanky. I have to go get Spanky. Yeah, no, there's no way in hell I'm ever naming one of my cats Spanky. And even if I wanted to now, it's just like ruined for me. Never. Sent it in bull. Back $5 and let him 200 long wherever your TA tells you, and let's make the chat even more interesting. That's funny. I can't send him any money. It's fine. He's not gonna do that. He did that out of the courtesy of his heart, and he did that like as a very nice gesture, and I appreciate that. So I don't wanna. We're not gonna take advantage of that. Or like make it cringy, you know. I'm gonna take my win, and like this, like for me, this was like a like it's never expected. You know what I mean? Could you sell me one of your cats? No, Hidden Bull. I would not sell you one of my cats. Okay, bro, I have to start baking. Have a good night. Yo, Bajornabek, thank you so much for coming by, man. I hope you get your dog and enjoy baking. Oh my god, my cat keeps like, he needs my attention. What's up, buddy? You think I would sell you my cat? You think you could take this? Hey, buddy. You think you could take him away from me? I would never sell one of my cats. Okay. It's funny because he keeps jumping down, but he keeps like doing like the figure eights around my feet. So I think he wants to play. Usually, like I play with him. Nobody. Hey. My cheese noodle. One at a time, not big enough for two. Put food and wait. We had a mama cat. Hey. Nobody. I need to take out the trash, so no messing with the trash, okay? Because you're going to knock it over. You're going to knock it over, okay? Yeah, sometimes what he does is he goes to my trash can right there, and he just knocks it over. And then he starts digging and getting all the trash out. And I need to take out that trash. So, can't do it. He can't do it. Let's see. One at a time. Okay, so one at a time, not big enough for two. Put food and wait. We had a mama cat at work. That had kittens in the warehouse. Not on the pet appreciation day. Not ever. He looks like my Sunny and Buttercup. Oh my god, Sunny and Buttercup. You have your cousins over there. Oh my gosh, Sunny and Buttercup. Buddy, you have internet cousins. Yeah. I think he's very affectionate. I don't know if Sunny and Buttercup are too. But he constantly needs love, and he needs to be pet all the time. Like, you can see, he's just, like, hanging around here. And he's just, like, literally, like... Look at that. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Like, did you see that or no? Can you guys see that? He's, like... Oh, no, I don't think you guys can see it. Oh, man, that was, let me see. Yeah, no. Buddy. Anyway. Yeah, yes, they are like babies. They are. Except the white one. The white one really is very independent. Which I guess babies can be too. I don't know. I don't have kids. I don't want kids. I have kids. I have 2 cats, right? Like, wah! Like, no. No, thank you. What was I gonna say? Oh, I wasn't gonna say anything, but I'm gonna stay live for another 12 minutes because obviously I just got a whole, like a big super chat, and I don't want to leave like fast afterwards. It's like, you guys know, like when you go to somebody's house, like when you're visiting someone, and you eat food, like you guys all eat food. It's like me eating the food and then just being like, okay, bye. You know, that's how rude it is. So I don't want to just leave. So I'll stay because I got such a big super chat. I feel like I'm gonna stay on for 2 hours, which is 10 minutes, so like 10 more minutes. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? So like when you guys go to your, whatever, your friend's house, or you guys have dinner, whatever you guys do, but whatever, like, oh, hey, come over for dinner, whatever. It's not like you go over there, eat, and then leave right afterwards because it's rude. So I feel like it's the same thing, especially getting a really big super chat. I got a really big super chat at 1 hour and like 5 minutes. So I just decided to stay online. I smell the litter box when I show up. You smell the litter box when you show up? That's funny. Yeah, well, especially when people have, yeah, especially if you have, like, if people have a lot of cats. It's funny because sometimes when we go on vacation and then we come back, well, the first thing we enter, like, first of all, our place is very small. So obviously it's like, it's the living room, like, everything's just in, like, one, it's not a studio, but it's very small, so I have to put the litter box right there. But when we come back on vacation from vacation and walking in, that's the first thing you smell. I want to play you a game of Magic. Yo, Hidden Bull, you realize that I have my Magic decks right here. I have Commander, though. You play Standard, right? You play Standard, right? Read my message. Not on Pet Appreciation Day. Wait, did I miss something? Oh, Meow send hidden. No, I read that. Meow send hidden bull $5, and then you wrote not on pet. Here, let me change the chat to all messages, maybe. Yeah, Wealth Abundance. The last thing you said was not on Pet Appreciation Day. LOL, not ever. Yeah, so Hidden Bull, you play Standard, right? But I play Commander. Yeah, I don't play Standard because it's like I stopped in like bro, Oath of Gatewatch, and then there was like Shadows over Innistrad. This was like not 10 years ago, man. I stopped playing Standard because the constantly new set, constantly, and then like cards get banned. Is it still like 3 set rule and then the cards rotate out? I played Standard up to Amonkhet, Kaladesh, Aether Revolt, and then the ones where they introduced dinosaurs, which was Darnia. Wait, which not Darnia? It was wait, was it Darnia? What the dinosaur one? There's Amonkhet, Kaladesh, Aether Revolt, what do you call it? What set came out after Amonkhet? MTG. It was, yeah, no, Ixalan. Oh, Rival, Dominaria. Yeah, it was Ixalan, Rivals of Ixalan, Dominaria. Yeah, I stopped at Dominaria, which was, oh my gosh, it was April 2018. That was not 8 years ago. Wow. There's so many ones that came out afterwards. Yeah, I remember I started with that. There was Theros, Dragon's Maze was cool. Gate Crash, Innistrad, Zendikar. Yeah, Zendikar was 2009. Oh my gosh, that was like almost 20 years ago. Wow. Yeah, I remember Zendikar, Rise of the Eldrazi. Just get a bunch of freaking colorless. When are you moving? When you move it? I wish soon. I wish at the end of this year. Standard, yeah. I'm in New Jersey. I need to get out. Too expensive. Yeah. Where are you gonna? Are you gonna move? I have a commander deck too. Yo, let's run some games. I mean, my commander. It's pretty fast. For my commander, it's pretty fast. Nah, bro, you missed like 5 message all stream. I sent you a wild paragraph to check out your cat YouTube page and why it's showing right before Hidden Bull message saying he smells. Yeah, wait a minute. I don't see that. I smell. Yeah, you wrote not on Pet Appreciation Day, and then you wrote I smell a litter box. That's all I have. Read my message. Let me go back. Meow, send Hidden Bull $5. I read that. Bro, your message isn't showing up. No, bro, I'm in Brooklyn. I'm like literally scrolling. I wish I could show you. I might be able to show you actually. Can I show you? Yeah, I actually don't see it. Yeah, Hidden Bull, let's run it, man. Let's play some Commander. I'm down. I need to get 2 more people. Oh, and we're going back up. Perfect timing. Yeah, so sorry, Wealth Abundance. I am sorry because I don't see it. And then Knights of Insomnia. That's messed up. Yeah, look. I hope I don't show anything I don't need to, but look. Yeah, look. You missed, and look, I'm on all messages, right? So, ooh, nice viewers, right? Average duration, look at this. You guys can see my chart. We started off really slow, man. And then it started doing good. The chat not even that large. No, but you see what I'm talking about, right? So like the last message I have is not on Pet Appreciation Day, and then before that it was meow sent. You see that? I'm literally showing you my chat. So I don't know. Told you to long 200x for $5. See? Yeah. But what's before that? Meow said hittable. I did read that. And then I said no. I said I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to take advantage. I'm gonna take my win and call it. I'm not gonna bother Hidden Bull. It was a one-off thing, you know? And then Hidden Bull says, "Will you sell me one of your cats?" No, Hidden Bull, I won't. I closed the 125x and the 150x. Let's go! Making that money. But yeah, so I showed you, man. I literally showed you my stream. So I don't know why I didn't register it. Wealth Abundance. I didn't know why. But I'm not doing it intentionally. I'm reading every single message I see, guys. So I'm literally reading. I read every single message. I'm not that big. miss messages, guys. Like, we have like 20 people in here. Yeah, I blocked a few of my chats. Wonder how many of them. I don't know. But it sounds like you're blocked. So I'm just going to retype it now. So look in 20 seconds. Okay. Just type it, copy and paste it. Try to copy and paste it again. Congratulations on that. And thank you so much. Hidden Bull, congratulations on closing your 125 and 150X. And thank you so much for the super chat again, man. I really do appreciate it. We're going to stay live for another minute. Check out... Oh, because you were probably trying to... Yeah, that's why. Because you're probably trying to, like, post another person's channel. Check out Rosie and the Shelter Pups on where? Let me see. Like Instagram or something? Rosie and the Shelter. Oh, okay. Rosie and the Shelter Pups. Okay. Kayla Lyman. What is this? Oh, it's in Utah. What am I gonna? I'm in California. She is on 2 months trying to tame a foster cat, and it'll make you love cats even more. Got it. Oh my gosh, man, that's crazy.
With her surgery tomorrow, she can't eat after 9 p.m. tonight.
Wow.
I had my hand facing up. She let me brush under her just a touch. I think she might have thought she was the one kind of moving up to me, so she didn't freak out. It wasn't a full pet, but it was pretty close.
Oh my god, why is that cat so skittish? Oh. Dude, that is a fluffy cat.
I think I'm gonna leave a little bit so she feels a little bit more comfortable to maybe come back down.
Yeah, I'll check out this channel. I mean, I already like cats, but yeah, I'll check out this channel. Yo, guys, we've been live for 2 hours now, so I think we're gonna call it here, Hidden Bull. I have the channel though, so thank you so much for that reference. Yo, Krista, thank you so much for that suggestion, which is the freight. Oh my god, I lost it. Hold on. Hold on. It was Trap Harbor Freight, and they're $20 at Home Depot. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this up. Yeah, very interesting. So what? You just grab them and then you just take them to the vet and that's it. I think I have to look into that. I gotta like ask my vet too. When you get off, it's in YouTube, and then there's shorts. It's in Improving Slowly for 2 months. Nice. Thank you, Wealth Abundance. Peace out, Hidden Bull. Thank you so much for the super chats. I really appreciate that. And yeah, and thank you so much for everybody for coming by. We've been live for 2 hours. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And this is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Enjoy the rest of your night. Enjoy your Sunday tomorrow. I appreciate all the super chats, the members, the subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. I hope we all make it. We will be live again tomorrow. I'm not really sure what time. I will throw up the schedule though. So I will hopefully see everybody in tomorrow's live stream. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll see you in the next